AI restores James Webb Space Telescope's crystal clear vision. Two young Australian scientists have achieved what once required astronauts and billions of dollars, restoring the James Webb Space Telescope's sharp vision using only artificial intelligence. If you like my content and want to listen more interesting science stories like this, then subscribe my channel. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Desdoigts and Max Charles from the University of Sydney created an AI system that corrected subtle distortions in one of Webb's key instruments, the Aperture Masking Interferometer, AMI. Their innovation, called AMIGO, short for Aperture Masking Interferometry Generative Observations, digitally repaired the instrument's precision, restoring its full optical performance without any space mission. A digital fix for $1 billion telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, launched in 2021, is humanity's most advanced eye on the universe, capturing faint infrared light from ancient galaxies. One of its instruments, the Aperture Masking Interferometer, was designed by Professor Peter Tuthill at the University of Sydney. It enhances Webb's resolution by combining light from multiple parts of its 6.5-meter mirror through interferometry. But once Webb began operations, scientists noticed a slight blur in AMI's images. The cause wasn't mechanical, it was electronic. A detector flaw called the brighter fatter effect made bright pixels leak charge into neighbors, smearing images. It recalled the early days of the Hubble Space Telescope, whose blurred optics needed a costly astronaut mission to fix. Instead of repeating that, the Sydney team decided to repair Webb's vision with code. AMIGO, fixing space hardware with AI, working with Professor Tuthill and Associate Professor Benjamin Pope, Macquarie University, Desdoigts and Charles developed AMIGO, a neural network-based system that learns how Webb's optics and detectors behave in space. By simulating the telescope's optical environment, the AI pinpointed how the brighter fatter effect distorted images and generated digital corrections to reverse it. The result, sharper, cleaner data without touching the telescope. Instead of sending astronauts to bolt on new parts, they fixed the problem with code, said Professor Tuthill. It's a brilliant example of Australian innovation in space science. AMIGO has now been integrated into Webb's processing pipeline, so all future AMI observations automatically benefit from its corrections. Sharper eyes on the universe with AMIGO active, JWST's images now meet their original design precision. The improvement has already revealed new details in Jupiter's moon Io, the stellar winds of Wolf-Rayet 137, and the jet of a supermassive black hole in NGC 1068. It even captured direct images of a brown dwarf and a faint exoplanet orbiting HD 206893, 133 light-years from Earth. This work brings Webb's vision into even sharper focus, said Dr. Desdoigts, now at Leiden University. It's amazing to extend the telescope's reach purely through software. A study by Max Charles confirmed the precision, showing Webb can now explore fainter, more complex systems than ever, a software revolution in space. The breakthrough marks a turning point. AI can now do what once required physical repairs in orbit. By combining physics-based modeling with deep learning, AMIGO shows how space telescopes can be maintained remotely through data science. Associate Professor Pope summed it up. We're entering an era where telescopes can be maintained through software. Even instruments millions of kilometers away can stay at peak performance. Desdoigts and Charles have even tattooed the instrument they helped restore, a nod to their triumph in blending creativity, technology, and astronomy. Their results, published on Arxiv and accepted for the publications of the Astronomical Society of Australia, have gained global recognition. From nearly 1 million miles away, the James Webb Space Telescope continues to reveal the universe's oldest light, now clearer than ever thanks to two young scientists and the power